Is Paid Survey Depot a great site to join if you want to get paid to share your opinion online, or should you stay away from it? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Paid Survey Depot review and tutorial, I will show you exactly how it works, because it might not be what you expect if you have not taken a lot of paid service before. So let me show exactly what I mean about this, so you can decide if it really will be worth your time. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service, get paid through sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the side online. So when you first come to Paid Survey Depot, you might think that you get access to paid surveys just by signing up. You could maybe get that idea when you look at what it says here on the website. But when you then look a little bit closer, and I have a lot of experience with survey sites, so I kind of spotted this right away, then you can see that once you register and provide some information, they will personalize some survey topics and opportunities for you. So this actually means that this is what is called a survey aggregator, which means that you cannot necessarily actually earn by joining this site itself. It might not be completely clear what I mean about this, but let me sign up and then I can show you what actually happens so you can see if it really will be worth it for you. So I now gave my name and email, and then it looks like you are getting this qualification survey. So you think that maybe now you already started earning or something like that. And you can see there's something here that pushes you to make a fast decision. Hurry up, don't miss the limited opportunity. But no, don't worry, you can see the timer ran out and I'm still okay, nothing happened, I can still click. This is just so you do not take too long to think about it, but react quickly. I personally hate things like this. It is a part of marketing, whether you like it or not. You know, that is how it is. I really dislike it, but that is just my personal opinion. But now you know, do not let yourself stress out about this timer. It does not really do anything other than try to push you to make a fast decision. So as you can see, you have won a dream car and then a question mark. So I was picked, lucky me, to enter into a draw of an instant dream car giveaway. You know, I'm pretty sure that everybody that signs up will do that, or whatever other offer they actually promote that day, because how Paid Survey Depot works is that they get paid to promote different offers, and this is one of them. This has nothing to do with a paid survey, and that is what I find a little bit confusing. I signed up because I wanted to get access to paid service, and now they are trying to get me to enter some kind of dream car competition. And I tried to click it, but my antivirus program here that actually blocked it. That doesn't mean it can't be like safe or anything. Maybe mine is just very strict, but you can see it moved on to the next one. It probably was just one of these competitions where I had to give up more information to be contacted by a lot of advertisers, and then online focus groups paying up to $500. And again, that sounds very nice. And I can of course click to sign up. They are just sending you to offers. They are getting paid to promote. Nothing wrong with that, but I just think that whole sign up process here, and you have to hurry and all that, it's just a process that I do not really like, that they try to push you like that. And they also making a lot of exaggerated claims. I'm not saying that there are no online focus groups that can pay you this much. There are, but it is definitely not the norm, so you should not necessarily expect that just because you click the link. And then again, another offer, earn exciting rewards up to $450 weekly. But like, what are you talking about? This is just like, it almost feels like these spam emails that you often probably also get. I definitely do, you know, from like, earn something. You're just like, but like, what are you talking about? Earn by doing what? You have to click it and you're taken to one of their promotional offers. So there are a lot of these claims where you can earn a lot of money that has nothing to do with paid service. You are not going to make like a full-time income by doing service, also not by following their advice. So it is very unclear what they are actually promoting, and that is something I do not really like. So I'll just say no thanks to this one. And we just continue with some quick ways to make money. Apparently, again, some kind of program they are getting paid to promote, and in some cases you need to pay, sometimes you do not. Overall, it is not anything that will make you earn here on Paid Survey Depot itself. It is just promotional offers. So as you can see, I just went through all the offers, and now I was taken to one final offer. Again, my antivirus actually blocks the final offer page I'm getting to there, but that is just how it is. It is another paid offer they get paid to promote that you get to kind of finish off everything. So that is basically what you get. You do not get to a members area where you can get access to paid service or any good recommendations about how to find the best paid service for you. You have given them your email, so now they can send additional offers to you, or these promotional offers that they also presented to you throughout this whole sign up process. I think it is fine to have a site where you can sign up and they give you good recommendations, but in this case, in my opinion, they just do not give you good recommendations. They do not tell you anything. They just make these hyped up claims and you can win this, you can win that, earn this much, that has nothing to do with paid surveys, many of them anyway. And then they will start sending you promotional offers because they get paid to send you to all these offers. Personally, I really dislike this approach because I do not think it is clear what you get here, and I really dislike that they promote so many things that has nothing to do with paid surveys and that they're making a lot of exaggerated earning claims here in the sign-up process. It is, of course, free to join, so if you really want to test out these offers that they promote, then you can go ahead and do that. Personally, I think it is a waste of time because it does not give you any valuable information to help you find the right service for you, and there is no service available here, so you can actually not earn on the site itself. But I hope this review has made it clear what you can expect, so you know if it is something you want to give a try or not. If you have tried it, or if you do not want to try it, I would love to hear your opinion about it in a comment below this video, so feel free to do that. And also, I will leave a link below this video to my website paidfromservice.com, where you can read more information about Paid Survey Depot and where you can also see list of service sites where you can actually earn on the sites themselves. So make sure to check that out, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service, get paid to sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.